Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Carpenter Bee in Garden game app Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can purchase the Carpenter Bee from this royal jelly shop right here. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 150 royal jelly coins. And I'm going to show you the ability of this Carpenter Bee. Occasionally converts a pollinated fruit into a bee castle themed cosmetic. So yeah, basically you can get a cosmetic from this Carpenter Bee. It will convert your pollinated fruit to the castle themed cosmetic. For me guys, I think it's not that worth because I don't like to collect a lot of cosmetics in my garden. But for you, once you collect the castle themed cosmetic, you can buy or you can purchase this Carpenter Bee. It will help you a lot in collecting the cosmetic. But for me, I don't like to collect cosmetic basically. So for me, it's not worth. Okay guys, and that's all about the Carpenter Bee and Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.